Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
But let me just say clearly, and to this university, and for us to know, as an alumnus, my business is not to bring politics into the university. My business is to see how I can contribute to the development of my alma mater. It's unfortunate that what Nigeria has turned to today, the appointment of vice chancellors is now being made on who will be the one that will submit names of returning officers to conduct election. You see so many people struggling to be vice chancellors. If you put me as a vice chancellor, I can assure you, all those who will be returning officers in your state, I will make sure they are loyal to you. Let me warn, not one person, not one would dare to rig election in Rivers State. Not one person would dare it. I have told people, allow the university community to be university community, to produce those who will be leaders of this country. Don't turn the university community to be where you have politicians who begin to manipulate and change the mandate of the people. Anybody who does that, you know that it's a coup you have plotted. And you know the punishment for coup plotters. I want to say, I'm not afraid of anybody. I don't care whoever the person may be. I don't care.
Oh yes, now who the face for? With your busy body, yes, she did.
In those days, we used to see university lecturers are those who are our role models, who tell us what to do, what not to do. I used to remember, I don't know whether he's alive, Professor Nyesom in that department of sociology. Professor Krodudu, I hope that was a lecturer. And I hope you pass, he taught you class system. In those days, and when you see them, you would want to be lecturers like that. So unfortunately, some of us have to branch out and join these people. But actually, you want to be like them. But these days, you see a lecturer putting out his name, a PhD holder, a professor, to soil his name, to allow himself to be kidnapped, to put somewhere to sign results, to declare somebody who did not win an election. Look at a professor in Akwa Ibom State who has been jailed. Now he's applying for bail after conviction. You know, to get bail after conviction is very, very difficult. Not bail before conviction, bail after conviction. So whoever may be promising you, tell the person, I have a family. You, Vice Chancellor, you to go and be the returning officer. So that if you survive, I will join you. I will say it. There's nothing I cannot say. Nothing. Not in this country. Nothing. So, I just want to use the opportunity to advise you, leave the university to still keep its name and not to play politics. If you want to play politics with us, I will rub you mud. If you want to join us, openly come and join us. But if you want to hide under the university, because somebody said 2023 is not going to be like 2019. No. It's not going to be so. The more you look, the less you see. Because INEC knows that they have to be prepared in 2023. And that's why we will resist any attempt for anybody to manipulate the amendment of the Electoral Act to say election results will not be transmitted electronically. That will not happen. That will not happen. If you want the vote of the people to count, the result must be transmitted electronically. It must be. You don't want where you go and take somebody from University of Port Harcourt and go and carry soldiers and carry him and say, go and deliver. Deliver what? Deliver what? So, I'm happy. I'm taking this opportunity. I will still come back next year to commission it and finally say one thing again before I leave.
How many them day? How we not go win them? How many them?
You know, the thing there is that the record we have set is difficult for people. People are angry every day. But you don't know, you don't need to be angry. If you know it, you know how to do it. If he didn't day, he didn't day.
As he dey see with us, he dey pain them. As he dey pain them, he dey see with us.
Since December last year, we have been commissioning and flagging off, commissioning and flagging off, commissioning. It is, we'll commission till May 29, 2023, and then I will leave. So this is the first time you are seeing a government not resting, working every day, flagging one today, commission tomorrow. And we are doing it on national television. So that if I'm telling lies, the whole university is telling lies. You will tell me whether there's nothing going on here. So if I'm telling lie, the whole university is telling a lie. Vice Chancellor, you're also telling lie. Chairman, Governor Council, you're also telling lie. So everybody is seeing it. That's why we say, seeing is what? Believing.
So,
this is not politics now. It's not politics. We were so many communities, so many villages. Saturday we came back from Opopo to give Opopo. Amanabo is still celebrating. He said in 150 years he couldn't drive by road. But thank God to him, last Saturday he drove by road. And he will still be driving by road. I told him don't go by sea again. No. Don't want anybody to see pirates to go and do funny things. And that is what it's supposed to be. That is the essence of democracy. That's the essence of dividends. The people have elected you. You must do something. Those people who are saying that this is a federal institution, they're wasting their time. Who are those who go to school here? Don't we have Rivers people here? Don't we? Anywhere that the Rivers interest, we must put Rivers money there.